Okay guys, so part 2 of problem set 72. So I just went over using a proportion and a rate, and I hope that you guys understood that using either method you should be able to come up with the same solution to solve your problems. I want to show you that the book actually uses a box, and they organize everything and they call it case 1 and case 2. Basically, case 1 is one set of ratios, comparing it to a second set of ratios. So it's really the same thing that we've already doing. They're just putting a title at the top to help you organize everything. So I want to do that just so that you guys are not confused. So on example 2, it said that Mrs. C can tie 25 bows in 3 minutes. So right away we're given something. We're comparing, in this case, that she can tie 25 bows in 3 minutes. So we're comparing bows and we're comparing minutes. Now, we know that we're going to set up a proportion, so right away I'm going to set it up using my equal sign between the two fraction bars. Here is where the book will put case 1, case 2. Again, all that means is one proportion, one rate compared to a second rate. You do not have to put those labels, it's really up to you, but so that we're doing what the book says, I wanted to show you how to do it. Now, 25 bows in 3 minutes. How many bows can she tie in 1 hour at that rate? So my find is going to be number of bows in 1 hour. Okay? So over here we said 25 bows, 3 minutes. Over here we want to find the number of bows, so that means the bow column is going to be blank, so I put a B. And then in 1 hour is going to be in my minute column. Notice something. This is in hours, this is in minutes. They have to have the same unit of measure. So I'm going to convert 1 hour to 60 minutes. Now I can input the 60 in the minute column as a 60. Using the rules that we just discussed on example 1, we can reduce up and down and left to right. Please do not reduce diagonally. Remember, that is reserved for multiplication problems only. If we reduce diagonally, we're trying to say that the B equals the M column, and they do not, so we cannot do that. But I can go 1 and 20. These cannot reduce further, and these cannot reduce further, so I would simply multiply 25 times 20. I'm hanging my 0 so that I don't unnecessarily multiply it. Drop your 0 at the end, and you get 500 bows. Okay, so I should 25 times 20 equals 1B, so I went 25 times 20, there it is, 1 times B, there it is, and I'm going to get 500 bows for my solution. Okay, lastly, I wanted to look at example 3, and I'm not going to do it with you, but I just wanted to point out, notice that it says 6 is to 15 as 9 is to what number? Don't let that confuse you. Just because there's no label doesn't mean you can't set it up as a proportion. If you notice, they just put first number, second number, and they write down 6 over 15, and then they put 9 over n. You're still finding an unknown, and you would still solve the problem the same way. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Hope you have good luck, and also let me go ahead and let you know that in this lesson, you are not going to have to do the geometry as always. So you're not going to have to do number 16 or 17. Let me see. So number 16, number 17, and I believe that is it. If there's another problem that you're not sure about, go ahead and let me know. Good luck, guys.